I'm Meenal from Bangalore, and I started my own company after COVID, named MK Estate, Meenal Kurwa Estate. And this I got confidence after I joined Energy Queen Hub. Because after COVID, a lot of people were facing problems. So I jumped in this niche because I was feeling that many people, NRI clients, had investment in Bangalore and their properties was not taken care, rents were not coming properly.
So welcome to the Rise to Fame Awards. One more time, we have a beautiful energy queen, which is Meenal with us. And Meenal is from Bangalore and she's really transforming her life day after day. Whether it comes to a relationship or it comes to her money and career. Everything is now just moving forward in her life and she's super happy. So without wasting too much of time, let us hear from Meenal only what her life was before she joined this community and how this community, how the Energy Queen system has really impacted her life. So Meenal, over to you. Which area would you like to talk about? Tell the entire people who are watching it.
Personal and money, ma'am.
Personal and money. All right, Meenal. So a little bit about yourself, Meenal. What do you do? And just over to you. Before and after, we would love to hear that. Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, good evening everyone, and Meti Miraki. I'm Meenal from Bangalore and I started my own company after COVID, named MK Estate, Meenal Kurwa Estate. And this I got confidence after I joined Energy Queen Hub. Because after COVID, a lot of people were facing problems. So I jumped in this niche because I was feeling that many people, NRI clients, had investment in Bangalore and their properties was not taken care, rents were not coming properly. So then I took up this charge and I observed them. I got them a renter and I got them the pain point which they were going through, that rents were not coming and property was not managed. So I jumped into and I started maintaining the property for my NRI clients. And word of mouth grew and then MK Estates came in picture. And I am whole and soul owner, proprietor, founder of this company.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Meenal, for sharing this with everybody. And once you're saying it's growing and growing now after you've joined the Energy Queen system. So can you just describe that and elaborate that more? How do you feel it's growing and what's happening in your money, in your career frequency, all of it for that matter?
Yes, ma'am. I was not confident earlier. Now I'm confident, and guidance of Nikun sir pushing me that I didn't know my abilities, but sir could make out my abilities and guide me, and through him and like Angel you and Nikun sir, I came in this thing and I pushed myself, signed up for my BNI chapter, dynamic chapter in Bangalore. And from that is like no looking back. It is slow, but because this is a big ticket. Real estate is a big ticket, right? Now people can't decide like that. It will take time. But once the thing is happening, the ticket amount is big, and I'm happy, ma'am. Slowly, step by step, word of mouth, I'm growing, and the deals are happening. Today also, I'm traveling, ma'am. I have come for my client's meeting. And everything is going good, fingers crossed. In 2 days, he will let us know. And again, I have closed one more deal for property, 3 BHK villa property I have sold for my client.
Amazing, super. So money frequency, are you making money now, Meenal?
Yes, ma'am. Money. Earlier, I was saying, I was working somewhere, ma'am, and then the company was taken over. So I lost my job. Now, who will give me a job? People were challenging and saying, abhi tere ko kaun job dega, kaun karega? And you won't believe, ma'am, the confidence and the practices what I'm doing from the Energy Queen. I've done Nan Glow, then I do Ritti Radiance, Eva Elevate. All that is really helping me, ma'am. I've become like self-love. And now I know that I've got that confidence. Whoever is there, ma'am, I'm ready to talk to them. No problem. Any officer, anyone, I don't get scared because I know what I'm doing is real and authentic. And automatically, because my frequency is say no, ma'am. My frequency is good. Automatically, I don't know how, but things are working out better and better, ma'am.
Okay,
Any
so
challenge is there, I'm
I know
accepting
it's
the challenge and take step by step.
nice,
Yeah,
Meenal.
what, ma'am?
So I'm just asking and curious if you would like to share. So earlier, before joining this community, I know that you were struggling when it comes to money. So the deals were getting stuck. It was not happening. You were waiting too much. That's what you've told me before. So now, are you cracking those
From
deals? And if there is
50,000,
any income which is coming to you,
yeah. Ma'am, I was started with 25,000, 50,000, 75,000. Now I'm growing to 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Now
All
I
right.
want to make stability in my monthly income of 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs every month I want to make, and it is coming, ma'am. I manifested that. It is coming. That is the
coming.
time from 25,000 to 5 lakhs is a big jump, but with patience, consistency, 1 year, I could change myself, ma'am. And I'm super confident. I can grow and I can. If I can do, everybody can do, ma'am. Whoever is in Energy Queen, and I'm telling you, your guidance is really a live example for me, ma'am, that I can do. And that confidence I got only after joining Energy Queen. And in real estate, everybody is saying, ma'am, you are in real estate. I said, yeah, why? Because it's all male dominated, ma'am. And very few women are there. And I'm there. And in real estate, people want trust. If they can trust you, they can give your property, they can give your finance, and they will explain and tell their problems, and we can help them. And most of them, many women only I'm attracting, single women and youngsters. I want each, and I'm in a mission, ma'am. Each and every woman should have their own property. I'm ready to help them.
Love it.
And in
Super.
that budget, I'm ready to find them a property, their own property. Because every time it's all male property, but female name ka hota nahi hai. For tax benefit, they will take joint. But I want every woman to have their own property, and I will help them come what may. In all their paperwork, in everything, in their will, in their father's will, whatever, anything related to property and their documentation, I'm there to help them. And I want
Super amazing.
to be self-owned. I own a property, and I want every woman to own a property. Because
Thank
that
you so much,
confidence-
Meenal.
Everything will come, ma'am. Everything will come if women start taking financial decisions on their own.
And you have been taking that. So thank you for so much for
Yes.
doing,
Yes.
Meenal. And now
Yes, ma'am.
let's talk about little bit about your relationships also, Meenal. So apart from your career, I know that you were going through a lot in your life because of your husband being divorced when you joined the community, right? But now things are changing for you. So if you can just throw a little bit
we
of
have
light
become
on that.
best friends, ma'am. We have become best friends. And for children, we all are together. And you will not believe, whenever I am traveling, he is taking care of the kids. Whenever he is traveling, I am going and staying in his house, in his thing, and he is taking care of me because we have dogs. And we can't leave the dogs alone, and we don't leave the dogs to our daycare much unless all of us are traveling. And that's why yesterday also I went and had a chai with him. So I've kept family time. In a week, I'll have to spend so much time with my family, with my spouse, with my I'm not taking the name, ma'am, but with my friend. I call him as a friend now. And we go spend time. And any good event or anything happening, we all have lunch together and dinner together at least once a
Amazing.
week.
So even
And
if you're
it was
not
only
staying together,
possible. Yeah, people. We are not staying together, but every activity, good or bad, we are together. We are standing for each other.
amazing. And that's so sweet and brilliant. So even if you're divorced or even if you're not together, but still you can have a most beautiful relationship, cordial relationship where you're there for each other always. And that is what Meenal has accomplished in her life, because before it was not like that. But ever since she has changed her personality, everything is changing for her. Am I right, Meenal?
Yes, ma'am. This is my guru told me everything will happen for a reason, and you have to be with Shubh, with happy ending. I don't say happy way. We have to settle every relationship, every act in your life should be happy. That Shubh Runalu Ban we say in Gujarati, ma'am. It has to be in that Shubh. Otherwise, you are carrying that karma. You don't know in what form is going to come in future life. So end it here peacefully. It's okay if we can't be together, but we are good friends now. And with this so shub, I'm really happy for that.
Amazing.
If you were
Thank
there
you.
together, we should have never been.
Thank you so much,
So now we
Meena.
are happy,
for this.
kids are happy, family is happy, and I am happy, ma'am. I'm
Yes.
happy.
That is what we are looking for. So thank you once again, Meenal, for being there and receiving the Rise to Fame award from me. So thank you once again, and God bless you
Thank
always.
you, ma'am.